The 2023 Honda CRF450RX is a top-tier off-road motorcycle that combines the power and handling of a factory motocrosser with fine-tuned features for versatile terrain riding. Building on the updates of the 2023 CRF450R, the CRF450RX boasts enhanced low and mid-range torque, a Honda Selectable Torque Control system, lightweight chassis, 18-inch rear wheel, hydraulic clutch, and specialized suspension settings. Its reputation for quality and reliability further solidifies its position as the ultimate off-road tool. The bike is well suited for various off-road races, from high-speed tracks to technical woods riding, making it a preferred choice for teams like SLR Honda and JCR Honda. The CRF450RX key features include a 450 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled Unicam single-cylinder engine, fuel injection, electric starter, hydraulic clutch, and a light twin-spar aluminum frame. The chassis features an aluminum twin-spar frame with upgraded rigidity balance, offering precise feedback, maximum grip, and stability. The 3-level Honda Selectable Torque Control and Engine Mode Select button provide complete control over performance, while the HRC Launch Control ensures a strong start. The engine is engineered for endurance, delivering increased torque and low-end power for relentless drive. The unique Showa suspension setup offers supple off-road control. The bike is equipped with off-road features like a larger fuel tank, 21-inch/18-inch DID rims for enduro-specific tires, handguards, and a side stand for convenient parking. For 2023, the CRF450RX celebrates Honda's 50 years of motocross heritage, with a special edition honoring the iconic CR models from the 1980s. The engine and chassis updates introduced for the CRF450R extend to the CRF450RX and CRF450RWE models. The CRF450RX design includes slim bodywork, optimized radiator shroud and side panel junction, and computational fluid dynamics designed air outlet vents. Off-road features such as softer suspension settings, dedicated ECU map, 18-inch rear wheel, and a 2.1-gallon resin tank enhance its performance over varied terrain. The motorcycle's specifications highlight its exceptional bottom end and mid-range power, hydraulically actuated clutch, advanced electronics with selectable torque control, and a refined chassis with optimized frame rigidity and suspension settings. The CRF450RX offers a versatile and reliable off-road riding experience, priced from $8,799 in the United States.